Everything that Democrats are doing to white Americans, they tested on the black community first. They destroyed our economy with riots and fire. They destroyed our birth control rates with policy. They destroyed our monuments under the guise of political correctness. They influenced our youth to embrace homosexuality through music. They influenced our youth to rebel through music. They refused to give us representation in Hollywood. They told us we weren't victims. They forced vaccines on us. And they called us conspiracy theorists when we said no. What's even worse, they changed our nationality through the Census Bureau more than 4 times. They assassinated our real leaders and left us with controlled opposition, such as Al Sharpton. They changed the color of our historical figures and ignored our outcry. They told the entire nation that we were a problem because we were black. Same thing they're doing with whites today. Yes, it's a cold, hard truth. The Democrats mastered the ability to control a race, and now they are doing the same thing to white Americans. This is where it truly gets worse. Every black is aware that this happened to us. Most of us will embrace the new propaganda, and white Americans will view it as ignorant and racist the same way we did to white Americans in the past. So when Netflix replaced every white actor with a black one, the black community will view it as finally being represented and not notice that every white person was taken out. White America will notice the replacement and will rightfully speak out, but black Americans will only see the outcry. They will think that white Americans don't want them to have anything. We are living in the most powerful psyop of all time. The only reason that history repeats is because they remove it.